Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have oxtail and some salad. Now this meal was catered by our stimulus check.
Stimmy in the building. Day 2 of Stimmy. Yeah, I might not get a day 3.
For real.
Yeah, too much.
Too much now.
Yeah.
But before we dig in.
Oh wow, I almost messed up. Damn, already.
Check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. I know you like it. I love it. There we go.
Alright, so we're gonna dig in. Like I said, I have oxtail. I put some butter beans in it this time. Again, Richie's not really a fan of the butter beans. He would eat it, but he's not a fan. But I made it because the kids don't like the butter beans.
Yeah, I eat it, but I'm not a fan of it, you know? But it's good.
Yo!
Family.
Yo! The oxtail!
Oxtail, buy straight off the back, family. You already know oxtail expensive, you know? Without Mr. Stimmy.
And also, family, we have a family member that asked us for advice. And we're going to read to you what they wrote. They do want to remain anonymous.
Yes.
And then you guys give them some advice as well in the comment section. But we're going to eat some food first.
We're going to eat first. So, shout out to JB, Uncle JB, for that stim. Appreciate it. Damn. First lady.
This is really
I
good.
want to say no. When we going to eat oxtail again, you know?
I'm not going to lie.
It came that crunch time.
I put my foot in this oxtail. Yo, it's seasoned well too, you know?
Well, but which one? I don't want to put too much.
Let me put it all over.
Tell me when to stop. You know, like, you want to put some more?
You put more in it.
Cause I don't want to put too much, okay? You don't like when I put too much sauce on my thing. Family, no cap. This look good. 2 day.
2 days in a row.
2 day eating good. I appreciate that.
Keep on telling people you can't talk to us, you know?
They made the building. We eat large. You might get a big king crab across the board, but no, that one is too dear.
No, sir.
No, we can't afford that one. By the time we get that stimmy done.
Yours to be done.
My stimmy ain't touch yet. So how you enjoying your stimmy? Tell me what you're doing.
If you guys got it
Yeah,
yet.
if you got it yet. No?
We paid some bills.
You know what it is already. I come
So
first.
we can be all caught up. So when we get our regular check, we can save that. That's how you have to do it.
That's right. This is good.
And we took a little bit out. We got some oxtail and some seafood. I see if you do it, man. Treat yourself. We were just talking about this the other day.
Yep. Treat yourself. Exactly. You had a lot of comment about it, huh? Let's still make your taste piece. Hold on. First they didn't give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pieces of oxtail, okay, family? For the new family member, I don't share oxtail. When oxtail cook at the house, like right now, first they done cook already. The rest of that is gone. Sharing, no sharing. I'm hiding it. So, cause you're a special family, here. Let me shake it up for you. I'll shake out the butter beans. Here. Here, take it. There you go. You make sure you take a big bite.
My oxtail done finished cooking from 12 o'clock.
That's a good oxtail, man.
And it's soaking in the juices.
Soaking that juice. And you just seasoned today, that's true?
Yeah.
Man, you had it for soaking.
Yo.
We're gonna eat the oxtail, you know. We know we don't play with the oxtail, we're gonna show you what we does with that oxtail bone. I got it. Apple Grace already, first lady?
You know it?
I did. Wow. First lady gave me a volcano rice.
Yo. It's good, 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 good.
Wow. Every time you cook, so you outdo yourself.
Thank you. I'm not gonna lie, that tastes good. I mean, some of the comments, honey, and some of the comments, family members said that we talk fast.
Yeah? Alright.
And sometimes they can't understand us.
Alright, I'm gonna slow down.
It's because we talk English with and then patois, so we combine it. So sometimes we say something in English, and sometimes we say that stuff in patois. So it sounds like we're talking fast, but it's really patois we're talking. We don't know no other way.
Right. Wow.
Come on, come on, man.
I'm gonna slow down my talk for y'all. Let me enjoy my Oxtail. Family, I finally found a cow. I'm gonna buy it. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it now. I finally, remember I was looking for one? I found it now. I gotta connect.
Where's this cow at?
Don't worry, you're gonna get him. I got a cow. For the Lolo too.
Lolo?
Yeah.
Weird things you gotta do your Stimmy check.
That ain't my Stimmy check. So yeah, I'm gonna cut that cow. And get all that good meat. Man, I love this cup.
This, oh my god.
No.
Yo.
Oxtail, man, you get a piece?
I'm not getting them none.
You don't get an oxtail either?
Nope.
They don't like that.
Nope.
They don't like when you share. They sometimes, you know what? Sometimes they feel sorry because they say you don't eat a lot, so it doesn't matter if you don't share.
I gave them some lobster yesterday.
You did?
They're fine.
Yeah, first they don't share it. I'm fine with it because she doesn't eat a lot. I'm gonna always take your food. But lately I haven't been taking your food.
That's true.
Like you get your portion. So basically you're trying to spite me.
You see how I'm ignoring him?
Family, we're gonna enjoy this meal. Yo,
The juice in the bone?
Yes, family. When we walk up in the meat store, we walk up there with confident. And say, yo, give me that right there. We don't gotta skim and say, yo, nah. Yo, give me that right there in confidence.
Yeah, man, we buy our 3 pound.
Yeah.
3 pound oxtail we buy.
Yeah.
Ah. 1 pound and 1.5 pound. You mad?
3 pound this time, family. Alright, break it down for them, because that's what we talk about. Yeah. With confidence, you know? Because we know we got it. But one thing I tell you there, I'm not going to the restaurant to buy no plate of oxtail, I tell you that. You can just buy it yourself and cook it. The same amount of money you're going to buy at the restaurant,
you can buy
cook, yeah.
2 pound oxtail.
And cook it.
And cook it.
It'll be taxed, it'll be. Real talk. Wow. And I got a nice one for you at the end of the day. Just log in and just keep tuned. Wow. I'm just on fire. Oh, when your eye?
No?
Sorry.
Or in my chest.
When your bosom?
My bosom. Oh, I already sucked that bone already. How we got there?
What's up, boy?
I was wondering why that bone looked familiar. Look, already sucking that bone.
A lot of family members like the bone too.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it where it's at.
I did Tamia's hair today for school. It came out really nice.
Oh, these are mine? Wait, this one here. Was it yours?
That's yours, yeah.
Okay.
I did the butterfly locks in her hair. It came out really good. You saw it when you came home?
No, yeah, cover it up.
Oh, is she having the bonnet?
You don't want to show me. Family. Just right.
This couldn't be cooked any better.
Appreciate the new family member that's coming through. I'm
Definitely.
saying they was watching, but now they leaving comments
Yep.
and they're also subscribing.
Yeah.
That's right. Y'all watch.
You're gonna have fun over here.
Yeah, we're not forcing, you know what I mean? Just watch, and if you like, yeah, subscribe. But if you're watching, at least give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, man.
For real. Y'all watching, but you're not giving a thumbs up. Stop bushwashing. You know, so I had to put out a water there.
Yeah, sweet?
Yeah, I don't know why. I gotta holler at Minnie Mae, son. You see? I haven't even touched my oxtails now. I'm cutting my rice down.
You know, you like to eat your meat last.
What's your top, but I like to eat meat last night.
I know you say you love meat.
Be careful, boy. I like to eat my meat last. You gave me a good portion of oxtails there.
That's good. Because I didn't want to hit your mouth.
Freezer gave me a good portion. Yep.
I made sure.
You're doing good. Excellent. And you just come right off.
Right off. But,
And we don't pressure cook.
yeah. But, listen. The oxtail come right off when you bite it. But it doesn't just, it's not falling off and all softy. I'm telling you, it's the best way. It's still hold together, but it's
Yep.
soft.
Cook it down on the stove, family.
That's the best way.
Yeah. Pressure cook too soft.
And some people can really make oxtail in a pressure cooker and it come out really good, but it still has that softness
Yeah.
to it, and then sometimes it's good. But I like it to hold its shape.
Yep. I like the shape. Love the shape. Over that. Family. First they put me on punishment.
What kind of punishment?
You know that's that punishment, you know kind of punishment you put on punishment.
Please. You put yourself on punishment.
What's up, my punishment?
Yep.
For that.
No problem, nothing. So,
You want to get into it now? Okay. You want napkin to wipe your hand? Are you good?
I have one. So I'm gonna read to you what a family member sent us, and they're asking for our advice. And they also said that they would love to hear you guys' advice as well,
Yes.
because we have a lot of family members on the channel, and everyone has a past. Everyone has gone through stuff, so everyone can
Relate. Yeah.
and help other people out. So I'm gonna read it, and then I'm gonna finish my food while we're talking about it. Okay?
Yeah.
I put on my glasses.
Go ahead. Bring your specs.
Put on my glasses so I can see the letter.
And then yes, family. Before you go first, lady.
Of course.
If you want to do anything like hit us up with a situation, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna be anonymous, as the first lady saying. Just we'll talk about it.
Yeah. Okay. So it goes and it says. So what I did was I try to condense it as much as I could so that, you know, I'm not reading a whole long thing, which is fine. You send me as much details as you want, and then I will condense it for you guys, okay? So it says, so I'm in a situation where my husband cheated on me and got another woman pregnant. I was also 5 months pregnant at the time. I started to hear rumors about the child, and every time I would ask my husband about it, he would have a different story. One time, he said that it's his friend's baby and he's just helping him out. I happened to get the girl's phone number, and I called her and asked her if the baby is my husband's child, and she ended the call. About a day or two later, she texts me saying that it is his baby, but he doesn't take care of the child. I called my family and told them about it, and they said if he is not hitting you and he is taking care of the kids and you should just stay with him because it has already happened and you can't change it. So I stayed, but it keeps on bugging me, and the part that hurts me the most is that the child's birthday is a day after his birthday, so he always remembers her birthday while I have to remind him about my kid's birthday. So I stayed, and instead of him appreciating me for staying, he keeps on disrespecting me, and he would find fault with everything that I do until one day we were arguing and he threatened me, so I packed my things and I left. I'm at my mother's house now, and I feel so comfortable and free. Now he wants me to come back and live with him. I'm not going back. I'm done with him. Take off my glasses.
You did excellent.
Thank you.
Dr. Shanice in the building, the healer.
No.
All right.
So, what do you guys think of that situation? We're gonna have to break it down. The first one is that he cheated on her while she was 5 months pregnant. If someone cheated on you while you were pregnant, would you take them back? Let's start with that.
That's for the ladies, because I can't get pregnant.
If someone cheated on you while they was 5 months pregnant with your child, would you take them back?
Family?
Let's be honest.
No, family. That's kind of tough, but hear what? Bye, Felicia. You gotta go.
Okay.
You gotta go. I ain't gonna lie.
One thing is that I would never do. You would never hear, even if you called me on the phone and asked me for advice, I would never tell you to leave the person.
Exactly.
Never. Okay? Unless he's abusing you. But when I say that, that doesn't mean that you should tolerate the things that he's doing to you or she is doing to you. When I say that, I wouldn't tell you to leave the person because it's not my choice. It's your choice. It's your life.
Exactly.
You have to deal with it. And most people, they want advice, and then when you give it to them, they will say, oh, I'm still with him. And then that will make you mad because you're giving them advice and saying, don't be with him, leave him, he's not treating you right. And then a few weeks later, they're back together. So and the cycle continues. So then in your mind, you're like, well, then don't ask me anymore. So for this person who was 5 months pregnant, she's very emotional. She's pregnant. She's carrying, you know, her husband's child. At that particular time, you're supposed to be in love, taking pictures. You know, you guys are supposed to be bonding over the fact that your child is coming into the world, and she has to deal with the fact that he has another woman pregnant. So most women, what they would do is they would try to make it work. I'm not judging anyone. If you want to make it work, that's fine. But I'm sorry, he has to be tortured. And when I say tortured, meaning that he has to work for it. You know, statistically, it says that it takes a woman 2 years to get over infidelity. 2 years. 2. Okay? So a 5-minute indiscretion is going to take you 2 years to get over that. That's not fair. So the guy has to work very hard, and he has to prove to you that he wants
to be with you.
To be with you.
You gotta do everything. Everything. Go to the second part now. Come on, the second part now.
So at that point, I would say, okay, fine. You want to stay with him? If she was to call me on the phone, I would say, if you want to stay with him, that is your choice. But I would recommend that you let him know that this would not be tolerated. You guys need to go to therapy and talk about it. He needs to be showing you that he's really genuinely sincere and sorry about what he did, showing you with his actions, building your trust again. Those are things that he has to do on his part. And if he's not willing to do it, then at that point, I would say it's time to go.
And remember, everybody's not perfect.
Everybody's not perfect.
It happens.
Okay, and then he basically ended up finding out. She basically ended up finding out that it is his baby, and he, she left. He said sorry, blah blah blah, and then she and him tried to work it out, but then he's still disrespecting her. And when she says disrespecting, I don't know what disrespecting, like, is he cursing at her? Is he calling her names? Is he belittling her? Because emotional abuse is just as bad as physical abuse, sexual abuse. It's all abuse. That's why the word abuse is at the end, because it's not good.
But he already messed up by cheating, right?
Right.
Now to have a baby out there, you know what I'm saying? Cheating is bad, but to go have a baby out there while you're doing it, obviously he didn't care. Right or wrong?
Right.
Yeah, obviously he didn't care.
And then
you take him back again, and we said before, he should be working hard, showing you that he really sorry, what he messed up. You know what I mean? Everything, just to make sure everything is right. But again, he didn't appreciate it. He started talking, cursing. I don't know if he's cursing, whatever, and all kind of stuff. Go ahead again, first lady.
That's true, my love. That's very true. Let me tell you something. A man.
24 seconds.
Okay. A man is going to change. Not even change. A man is going to do what he have to do for a woman that he loves. If he does not love you and want to be with you, he is not going to change. He is not going to do certain things. You understand? If you're with somebody right now and you're talking to them and you say, listen, like I've said, Richie and I, teeth and tongue is gonna catch. There are things that when Richie and I first started dating, I didn't like, and there are things that he didn't like. We had to adjust, and there's still things that we're working on right now that we have to adjust. Even 18 years later, it doesn't mean that, we've been together for 18 years, everything is peaches and cream. I wish it was, it is not. I had to restart the camera. So, here's the thing. If you sit there and you give somebody a chance who has cheated on you and then they are disrespecting you, that's a no-go. That is a no-go for me.
That person don't care.
That person does not care.
Nothing. Whatever they did, not even sorry one bit.
Yes. So, and when people show you who they are, you believe them, So he did it to you once, you forgave him, and he's not doing what he's supposed to be doing to show you that he's sorry, but he's disrespecting you. It's not going to work. He already lost respect for you. Hear me out. He already lost respect for you once you let him back in and you didn't demand him do the work.
Exactly.
You understand?
You gotta set your rules.
Yes. So you let him back in and you said, okay, you can come back, we can work it out, but you did not demand that he make sure that he's checking in, you know where he's going, and all of these things to you, it may sound like, these are childish things. No, this is how you build the trust that you lost from me. If you want my trust back and you want us to get to a better place, these are the things that you have to do. Whatever it is that you need him to do, because every relationship is different. If you need him to call you every 3 hours and let you know where he's at, or if you need him to text you, or if you need whatever it is, that's what happens when you break the trust. Now you have to be AKA in prison.
In the prison, you gotta what you call the thing when people don't wear their foot. Yeah, no, serious.
Yeah.
Then now
the family telling her that if he's not hitting her, she should just stay. That wasn't good advice.
Yeah, that wasn't. We personally, I don't think that part wasn't a good advice.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? But at the end of the day, they said the damage is already done. So might as well stay, cause you know what I'm saying? But
I understand why most people would think that.
Yes. Yeah, yeah.
I understand why most people would think, well, he already cheated. You found out.
Yeah.
You guys just work it out.
Work it out. Yeah.
And I'm not here to judge. So okay. He already did what he did, and then now he's just trying to get you back because it's like you're not there anymore. And go ahead, baby.
No, go keep talking. I got some.
Oh, you're not there anymore, and it's almost like he's gaslighting you. He's manipulating you. He's making you think that, okay, I'm sorry. But when you were there, was he showing you that he was sorry? Was he telling you that he was sorry? Was he doing the work? He waited until you leave to then want to cry wolf, and then when you come back, it goes to the same pattern.
It's going to the same thing. What I was trying to say, if you want to work it out, try to work it out from a distance, because
that's great advice also, my love.
Work it out from a distance, because I know y'all still have feeling for each other. You know what I'm saying? Even though what happened, that was, you could say, in the past. You know what I'm saying? But y'all still have feelings. So if you're going to work it out, family, work it from a distance. Don't run back over there. You know what I'm saying? Let him show you that he really, really sorry for what he did. You know what I'm saying? Spite him. Y'all good at that, girls. You know what I'm saying? Spite. You know what I'm saying? But working from a distance. Don't run back over there so fast. You know what I'm saying? Because you guys like, yes, I got you again real quick.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? You got to make him work. I'm snitching on the guys, them son. Yo, family. You made me snitching on the guys, them guys. You know, I'm being serious now. I'm talking for real. Cause you know what I mean? It does happen in real life, and this is real life situation. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no makeup stuff. But listen, so what? I'm snitching on. So what? But work it out from a distance. You know what I'm saying? Take one day at a time. You know what I'm saying? And that's it. But again, it all depends on how he's threatening you.
Oh yeah, she also said that he was threatening her.
Yeah, but what kind of threat he said to her? So
a threat is a threat. I mean, what kind
of but you know, people go out of their way and
yeah,
but work it out from a distance. Stay with your mother. Enjoy your life, you know what I mean, with your kids and stuff like that.
Find yourself, love yourself, start to heal yourself, because he didn't help you heal, so I know you're not healed from it. So you need to heal yourself, because what will happen is that if you don't heal yourself, you will just, even if you and him don't work out, and that's your choice to make, we're just giving you advice as far as, you know, certain things. But even if you guys don't work out, if you don't heal yourself and you don't really love yourself, when you go to the next guy, you're just bringing your emotional baggage onto him. And then if he's never experienced something like that, now you're damaging him. And then if y'all break up, now he goes to another woman and he's damaging her. And then you're damaging another guy. And the cycle, it's like a domino effect. You have to work on yourself. Love yourself, learn yourself, and with that, you will get more confidence. And the more confident you are, the more he's gonna realize, okay, I can't mess with her. He's doing this to you now because, unfortunately, he knows maybe that you're not that confident. You know what I mean? Because you took him back, but you didn't demand the work. That's the problem. Demand the work.
Demand the work. Know your worth.
Yes.
So, family, what y'all got to say about this situation?
Let us know in the comments section.
Let us know in the comments, because I know y'all going to flood them comments. I know y'all ladies, because all ladies in here, because all the guys that's watching, I got to break it out. I got to be serious, you know what I mean? Real talk, because it happens. You know what I'm saying? So for that now, first lady, you finish your food?
I'm finished.
Let me give you the wow to just end it off nice and easy.
That's good.
You know what I'm saying? Listen to this wow. Speech therapist. I say, call them? Go ahead, you're not giving them. Fam, listen. If you don't leave your past in the past, it will destroy your future. Live for what today has to offer, not for what yesterday has taken away. So with all that we just said about the situation, family, you know I gotta come through. First thing, you know I gotta come through. Come on, I'm gonna give. Don't forget to like, we shared, comment, subscribe, and for all the new family members, welcome to the Greedy Couple, where we talk about anything, but when it's serious time, we'll get down to the serious business, all right? We are the Greedy Couple. They are First Lady. The Greedy Family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang.
Bye.